Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to submit a single user record to a collection or data source in Power App. So I have already created this app. In this app, I have added three labels, three text input controls and one button. I have already set the label text as account name, phone number, account number. For the text input control, we will enter user data. Under the default property, of each text input, I have cleared the value so user can type freely. I have also renamed the text input as text 1, text 2 and text 3. So now we have three text fields that we'll use to submit user input into a new collection or table. First, I want the text field to reset after the user click the submit record button. Select the submit button, go to the on select property, enter the formula. Reset, clear the text input. After clicking the button, all text field become empty. Now preview the app, give the account name as Datum Corporation, phone number, account number, then click on submit record. You will see all the text field reset. Now go back. Now we will add functionality to submit data to a data source. Select the submit record button, go to the formula bar. There are two ways to submit data: collect function, patch function. Patch is mainly used to update existing record, but it can also create new records. Collect is used to create a new collection and add records. Since we are creating a new collection, we will use the collect function. Enter the formula in the onSelect property. Now click on format text. Collect create a collection and store data in it. Call underscore name is the name of the collection. Inside curly braces, we define column name text input value. Text1 dot text, text2 dot text, text3 dot text. Take user input. After saving data, text field reset it again. Now let's display the submitted data. First add a data table to the screen. Select the items property. Enter call underscore name. Call underscore name is a collection that stores the submitted data and the data table. User it to display record on the screen. Initially, you will not see any fields. Click on edit fields and then click on add field. Now select this account name, account number and phone number. Click on add button. Now preview the app. Again give the account name as Datum Corporation. Give the phone number. Give the account number is. Click on submit record button. You will see the record added to the data table successfully. In this video, we learned how to submit a single record to a data source or collection in Power Apps using the collect function. Thanks for watching.